guys. So guys, it is 4 a.m. Well, 4:17 a.m. guys, on this same thing. 4:17. So guys, it is dark out. I just turned on the light. So it is really dark. And I'm just edited some vlogs. And I actually should be going to sleep because I'm really tired and I have not been drinking water. I forgot to put some water. Like, I just sat here and edited. I did not really want to get up, so now I'm really thirsty and I'm kind of hungry, but one of the cats is sleeping here. This is Pusha. Rex is sleeping like over here on a chair, and Cassie is on a chair in the kitchen. So my voice is like really kind of not the same because I have not been drinking water, so my mouth is dry, and I'm about to drink some water, maybe eat something and go to bed. I think everything is done. The cats are sleeping. I left them food for the night, and I really have to go to bed, so I feel really tired, and I did want to go to sleep earlier so I can get up earlier tomorrow, but it didn't happen, and I should have gone to sleep, but I couldn't. I just kept on doing stuff I was doing, and that's all. So yes guys, I'm really sleepy, like my head is hurting. So I basically had a migraine all day today, and it finally gotten better. I actually took a second sets of pills for migraines, and I laid down and it finally went away, so I'm kind of happy about that. But at the same time, I'm feeling really tired right now, so I feel like my head is also feeling heavy because of that, and I highly recommend going to sleep early. Not like I am today, but I just didn't have a lot of will to go to get ready for bed. What I should do is really go brush my teeth before bed and go to sleep. So this is my second advice: brush your teeth. And my third advice: drink water. Hydrate. So always get yourself some water, like big water, small, any water, anywhere you are, or something to drink, like tea or juice, something healthy. So yeah guys, stay healthy, stay positive, and be happy. Peace. Pusha right here. She's asleep. She's really asleep. And Rexy is asleep, and they just wanted me to turn off the light. Baby. Okay. So I'm just gonna make sure that they got food. I had some left food for them, Not a lot. They actually like sleep all night, so they don't really eat much. And I have some of these, but I'm gonna actually leave it in the fridge because it's a little left. Maybe I'll leave it out. This is almost nothing, so I'll just put it in one of these plates, and then tomorrow I'll wash them all. And myself, I think I'm gonna drink. Now I finished the tea, and this is the third cat, Casa, and she's been sleeping all the time for the last 4 hours. The last 4 hours she was just sleeping, and Rex and Pusha were hanging out, and I just played like with each other, ran a little bit, and then went back to bed. So yes, that's what happened. I also gave them treats, like a dreamies treats. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna drink water. I was gonna eat something, but I probably shouldn't because I want to just go to sleep, go to the bathroom and go to sleep. That's all I have energy to do, guys. So in the past I used to be a huge night owl, and it ended up with me working overnight jobs, and even though it had given me a huge insomnia days and days afterwards, after I stopped working, I still couldn't sleep at night. And 2 months later I moved to my home country, and guys, since moving back here, I just sleep during the night, and I try to go to sleep earlier, and staying awake right now until times like this, like 4 a.m. is way late for me, and I started feeling really heavy on my head, and my stomach also messed up if I stay up longer. So I really have to go to bed earlier, and I hope not to have any more overnight jobs or having to stay awake overnight like this. So yeah, that's my final advice for this vlog. Get 8 hours of sleep. And for the best, it's during the whole night. And yes, so yeah guys, so I'm gonna drink some water, and I'm gonna go to bed.
Simpler times, I never cried when summer died.
This is the kind of stuff they got with the beef. So I just heated up some water, like to make it warmer, because I like it either room temperature water or warm. Push, push. So, see, I'm just gonna drink. So yeah, guys, make sure for the best, hydrate and drink a lot of water during the day. I actually have not been drinking enough. I usually set up how many cups I have to drink per day, and then I use stuff like that. This is thermos, and this is probably like 4 regular cups, maybe a little more. So this is like 16 ounce or 8 ounce, I'm not sure. So I just put water in that and I drink it during the day. Also, it is a thermos, so it stays warm during the whole day. Or I just put water in like a cup, like fill the whole cup, or the cups, like cups like this. I don't know if Pusha is awake, but I'm about to flop in the bed and go to sleep. I might just like stay on my phone because at this time I do want to sleep, but I also have a hard time falling asleep. But I'm gonna show you later on what things I drink when I have insomnia really bad, and those are just over the counter. And
wanting to say words I thought for a while, but I couldn't conjure.
and they're not really strong, but at the same time they're also not habit forming. So I only use it like very rare occasions. So but mostly I just go on my phone for a little bit, and once I started feeling really sleepy, I put it away before I get too invested on what I'm looking on the internet. And once my eyes started feeling heavy, I put it away and fell asleep. But yeah, guys, so that is that. And I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom before I go to sleep, so I don't have to wake up during the night. And I'll make sure the cats have food. They do have water. I try to change their water every day, and clean the cat litter every day.
Took me by surprise, promise you won't let go.
I'm just gonna put the food for the kitten. So this was utka smarkoviu. this is one of their favorites, so. Good job. Sometimes Pusha is calling and she wants to go out in the hallway, so. But this time at night I can't. Pusha, I'm sorry, I can't right now. I'm really tired. Okay, tomorrow. Hi guys, so I usually sleep in this. Like, it really gets kind of hot in apartments here because they don't get air conditioned. There's no central air. Most of the apartments don't have it. So, and I can open the window to let the fresh air, cold air, but sleeping with it can make you get sick next day because it can get really cold, but I still do it. So I don't like being hot. So, right, Pusha?
Strawberry shakes on your bed. 6 months of dream.
Time to close this all and go to sleep.
What could we have been?
Rex.
If things had never changed. Remember the day
Rex, go to sleep, my love.
so my toothbrush was gone.
So he just got up. But I'm going to sleep, Rexy. Please, sleep. I was looking for him at this chair and he wasn't there. Yes, kitty pie.
Tears on the notebook, writing the song. Well, I think about you. About you. I still think about you. Tired of telling myself I'm not in love with you. So I tried to find.
Guys, I got another cup of water. So I'll put it next to bed and I'll drink a little bit. So. Rexy.
And every face I see reminds me of you. Now I'm crying in my room all alone. Tears on my notebook, writing the song. Well, I think about you. About you.
guys, I'll show you my bed. I just have here like a little lighter like sheet, kind of like the blankets. I did put away my very warm blanket for now, so well, I guess for the summer, for the spring and summer. So I just have my pillow. I brought the pillow from my from the USA that I had, because this is the only kind of pillow I like. It has to be almost flat. Almost flat, and also it has feathers in it, so push it. These guys are gonna play. So yeah guys, I also have this table where I put my things. I have tissues, I have cup of water, other tissues. This is like toilet paper tissues, and I have this cream because I have a spot on my shoulder that I went to dermatologist for, and it did look like, I thought it might be very infectious, like Leschai disease, but it turned out to be no pathogens in it, and it has to be an allergy, some kind of or eczema. So this is the cream I've got, and I've been using for that. So that is that. And I also have like a very fuzzy thing. I put my glasses on it when I go to sleep. Also, I can use one of these creams, and those are my face creams. So this is just the Russian ones. And this one is my favorite because it's very like thin layer, so it dries faster, and also not very thick on your skin. And this one is thicker, but my regular one, my most favorite one, is Drunk Elephant that I got from the United States, but it was very expensive to keep on buying. Also, I can't purchase that one here, so I had to switch over to different kind. I also have my toy, actually a dog toy, but I got it for my cat because it was very fuzzy, and I wanted him to have something from the United States also. Not just that, I brought other stuff for him. I actually brought half stuff for my cat Rex and half stuff for me. So so that was just the one part of what I brought for him, and I also use it as like the toy, because I used to have a teddy bear. I used to have a teddy bear on my bed, but I could not bring that in my suitcase or in my carry-on or bring that out. I actually had like 8 different teddy bears, and they were huge, they were small ones. So eventually I'll buy myself another one. So for now I have this fuzzy toy, so to have as the toy, basically. That's what it looks like, and I got it, I think, from Burlington. Yeah, from Burlington. They do have so many cat toys, dog toys. Also, they do have lots of jackets. I got my 2 jackets from there. I've got my red jacket, and I think it's the Canadian company. And I bought it in Florida, and it's actually a winter jacket. I've been wearing it the whole winter here, and I got it from Burlington. Surprisingly, they have a lot of good stuff. They had lots of suitcases and duffel bags for the weekend away, so check that out. It's my one of my favorite stores turned out to be, because the prices are discounted. Also, you can find everything you can find at Walmart or other store. Like the other store I do recommend, TJ Maxx, but Burlington was my favorite, mostly because they used to be a coat factory store, and I went there specifically to buy a jacket, a winter jacket. So I did buy 2 jackets, and I'll post a picture or video here of my red jacket.
Look at you now, I see you look in my eyes. Darling, it feels like home. You held me tight.
And I'll show you later in my vlogs the other jacket. It's more like a navy, but it's a bit on a cooler side, so it's more for the spring, and I'll show you it later sometime in my vlogs. Yeah guys, so yeah, so that's my recommendation, and I'm gonna show you what I use for sleep if I'm having a huge insomnia. So yeah guys, this is my most favorite. So and this is Ollie Sleep with melatonin, and this is my second one. This is just ZzzQuil, and it has diphenhydramine, and it's like used in the allergy medication to help you with allergies but make you sleepy. And I personally like melatonin, so this is my remedies for sleep. I try to get some sleep. And over here I can use like a valerian based type medication that calms you down. It's very holistic, so it doesn't work as well, or it's not very strong. Like it's really not strong. So for someone like me who has like a huge anxiety, it's not really effective. So I do have to go to a psychiatrist to get some medications for anxiety and depression that I've been having on and off. With depression, I get like randomly depressed, and it just comes out of nowhere and then goes away out of nowhere. But I try to stay positive and do things that make me happy until I can get to the doctor here to finally get my mental state in order, because I have been struggling with anxiety, just random anxiety attacks, but the other part is social anxiety. I don't think there is a medication for that, but that's my other part of what I'm struggling with, and depression. So yeah guys, I hope you guys, if you are struggling, I hope you find help, and I believe a therapy with psychiatrist is the best, because there's a lot of things that are need to be worked through, a lot of past trauma, and I had a lot of trauma, a lot of PTSD in my life, and I have not been working through. I've been trying to forget parts, and for a long time I could not put it behind me what happened, but I am trying to, and I'm trying to find some therapy to help me with that, find some support groups, So definitely get some help, and if you ever get suicidal thoughts, call the National Suicide Prevention Center. I'll try to find a number here because that's a major consequences, or it goes along with depression. So, and I strongly sympathize everyone who's going through anything like that, as a past survivor of many traumatic events, as well as suicidal thoughts for a long time. So definitely stay strong, and everything will pass and everything will get better eventually. And today is one day and tomorrow is a new day, and you can start everything new tomorrow or even today. Even if you have a bad day one day, tomorrow can be a good day, and I believe it will. So guys, have a good day tomorrow, tonight, and if your day just started, have a good day today, and be happy. Peace.
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walk down streets she's walked 1,000 times. At 3 a.m. that night, under palm tree lights, for the first time I came alive when summer died. I didn't wanna.
Guys, I'm feeling wide awake, so I'm gonna try to fall asleep, turn off the light, and close the curtains. The cats finally calmed down, so see you tomorrow. Rex. Ow. Ready to sleep. Pusha, ready to sleep. And Rexic, also ready to sleep. Right, baby?
Alexa's waking up, water in her cup. Simpler times, I never cried when summer